statements that the ORM tools are using behind the scenes is very useful. By default, if you look at the console, Hibernate does not show any SQL on the console or in the logs. We can enable it using a show-SQL property. Go to the application.properties, add a line gap, spring.jpa, that is where all the JPA properties are, dot show-SQL. And it is a Boolean property. By default, it is false. If you enable it, it will enable logging of the SQL statements. The value should be true. That's all that is required to be done. Let's run a test. Right now, if you go to the database, we should have one record with the value 1000. Let's execute an update operation by going to the test class. Select the update. The update operation executes a find, which internally executes select statements. And then when we save, it should do a update. It should execute a SQL update. Let's have a look if it's really doing it. Right click, do a run as JUnit test. Maximize the console, let the test run, and at the end of it, we should see it executing selects and updates right here. It executes select statements as well as it uses a update, which is a parameterized query or a prepared statement where it has question marks, and it will replace those question marks with whatever values we are passing in. So to have a look at the SQL statements in Hibernate, we use the show-SQL is equal to true. By default, it is false.